Hello everyone and welcome to the another video of tomorrow's trading session Nifty and Bank Nifty level we are going to discuss, and let's see today's movement. And this is the Bank Nifty chart 15-minute time frame, and on 26th we have seen in first half we have seen this fall, and then in second half around 12 p.m. it has given a good upside one-sided move. And today was a monthly expiry also, and we have seen a good move, so that could be a possibility of in downtrend you could have make money, and in this uptrend you could have make money. So these are the things in today's trading session. So let's mark levels for tomorrow's trading session. Before that, let me check on a daily time frame. So this is bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and today we have seen one hammer. So might possible this Bank Nifty may in sideways for next one or two trading session, because we have not seen follow-up selling after this bearish candle. So that's the sign to analyze, because we have not seen a follow-up selling into this trading session, but instead we have seen hammer candlestick, but it is in a sideways, so its significance is not that much. But we may see some kind of sideways momentum in next couple of days, sideways to upside momentum in next couple of days. So let's analyze and mark the level for tomorrow's trading session. So let me mark the today's trading session high and low. So this is the low 28,923, and the high is 29,623. These are the two levels we have marked, and the important area of resistance we have seen here at 29,800, and we will keep it as it is, because the actual selling from this level has been started and this level has not been tested yet. So 29,800 is a crucial area of resistance for next day of 27th November. And let me mark the important area of support, and we will take simple retracement of this move from here to here, and 61% level comes near this zone. So I'm going to mark 29,200 level is the important area of support. So let me mark the levels also. So resistance we will keep it is same 29,800, and support area is 29,200. These are the two levels you need to watch for tomorrow's trading session. So now let's check Nifty index, and starting with a daily time frame. And here we have seen bearish engulfing, but today we haven't seen any follow-up selling which will be required. So possibility is maybe it will be in sideways Nifty index, sideways to slightly upside momentum, and resistance will be here at this high. Okay, so this is the view sideways to upside, because we haven't seen any follow-up selling in today's trading session. So let's mark the levels with high and low first. So converting this to the 5-minute time frame, and the low is 12,790, and high is, this is the high, 13,018 is the high of today's trading session. So let's mark the important area of resistance, and we have seen this is a good fall, and if we can take a retracement of this fall from this point to this point, so it's almost near to 61% here, this today's trading session high. And if you can mark the level here, we have seen this is a swing high and this is straightforward fall. So important resistance would be here, because the actual selling from top has been started here. So 13,140 will be a good area of resistance. 13,145. This would be a possibly resistance for next trading session. And if I would like to take simple retracement of this point to this point, 61% comes at 12,877. So 12,870 we are going to mark. 12,870. It is also a swing low of this small 5-minute time frame. So let me write it down the levels. The resistance is 13,145 and support zone is 12,807. These are the two important levels you need to watch for the tomorrow's trading session. Now let's check a few stocks for next trading session. So let me enable the averages and RSI. So first stock is Titan Industry, Titan company, and we have seen a good breakout here from this point to this point, and it's also a breakout of moving average, so expecting a good upside move in next trading session. So the resistance would be around here. This is the area of resistance, and you can keep your stop loss near to this conjunction of support zone, or you can keep this trend line support also as a stop loss for next trading session. Titan Industry is a bullish stock for next trading session, and it has good showing good volumes in last minutes of the market closing also. RSI is also above 60, which is a good sign. So this is the first stock, Titan Industry, and the next is Tata Motor. And here is we have seen a small consolidation. This is a resistance zone, but importantly we have seen a good breakout on this 15-minute time frame with a moving average with good volumes. So expecting a good move, and above this resistance there is one high here which is around 178. So 180 is the area of resistance for Tata Motors for tomorrow's trading session. You can keep your stop loss at this junction of consolidation here, and expecting a level around 180 in next trading session. So these are the two stocks as a bullish stock. First is Titan Industry and next is Tata Motors. So if you like this video, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, share this video with other traders, and wait for another video. Thank you so much.